I'm starting my stand-up paddling adventure for the first time. Lake Nokamixon. I've just watched a whole bunch of videos. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Okay. That's it. Everything. Got my phone. Let's get onto the water now. Should be a bit cold. Let's see how this thing goes. As always, just heading out, no knowledge of what I am going to do, and let's see how this goes. I don't want to get drenched in the cold water, maybe like 50 degrees I would guess, but I'm a bit prepared, you can say. Oops, forgot the main thing. I forgot to get the fins. Hopefully I have them in the car. I have a feeling I may have forgot to get them. It's my guess. Let's see. It's gonna be fun if I forgot to get them.